job, Plymouth meeting, Pennsylvania, using white wire because we have open ceiling. We just started. We're going to be running through the studs a little bit. So we have our grommets, we have new construction caddies, drywall caddies, a couple different things. So with now these are the electric boys, but we're going to be putting in straps just like that to kind of hold things into place before they put the sheetrock up. But this right here, the thing of beauty, in a couple minutes you'll see the finished product after we get done. And basically, so we're going to be utilizing the main cable tray, and then we're going to be branching off. Whether or not it's coming through down on the bottom, you can see we already have a service coil right here. We're going to have wire come through the studs and all around. So open ceiling presents itself a challenge, but thankfully we have the cable tray as a main artery, so we don't have the walls up yet. And we'll just take a quick little look here. We can't go over too much because it's kind of boring, but we're just still framing out everything. We haven't got to run the wires over this way yet. So cable tray, J-hook supporting the main support. We're waiting on a wall plywood for the access control as well, and eventually we'll get power and walls. Here we go, the tail end of Plymouth meeting. Let's take a look at the server room with access control that we installed. And we have a wall rack. Now initially we had a 4-poster in here, change order. They decided to minimize our footprint and just get a open frame wall rack. So those are Keystone jacks in blank patch panel, very nicely, and they're just going to cascade everything. So real short, you have the wire bundle right there, and of course you have your D-mark. And I love how Comcast just installs it and boop, there you go. We also have the access control. Working with different trades, sometimes they will damage your equipment. So you may have, you know, with new construction, you want to always document everything. It's a little bit discerning. Right here we have this for the fire alarm relay. We're gonna have to work with the fire alarm company, and since we're dealing with mag locks, you have to make sure that when the fire alarm is tied in, that the mag locks respond to that, because if you have a fire, you need to get out. So this is the server room, a little ceiling there. Then you have Mark out there, and these sections of the cubicles. So we're working with high ceilings. They were supposed to bring from the cable tray the power poles, but they have not ordered the correct power poles, so we're just waiting on that. Electric has to come down, and so do we. So we have a bunch of conference rooms, offices. I will show you the completed areas. So there we go in these cubicles. We have some huddle areas going around there. We have outside offices. We have a spot that needs a blank. Always make sure you have a blank. A couple areas for printers. But basically, the cubes turned out real nice and clean. And so what we do is we have to feed the cable through the skeletons, and then the installation team comes and puts the panels up. Chances are they always forget the knockouts. So if we have to, and if we don't have enough time to order them, we'll just put a blank plate, self-taps in there. Solves the problem real fast. Of course, we have just generalized office. Drops right there for the computers. So our guys are just, again, they have to feed through the entire bundle. They'll take it from there, they'll feed it through the cubicles, cut off to what they need, and then terminate inside the cubicles. So that's always a challenge.
It's not that big of a deal, but you have to coordinate when the installation of the actual cubicles are going on. Other than that, that's about it. We did access control here, a couple wireless access points, positions for cameras, and that's it for Plymouth meeting. Call us. We'd love to hear your new projects. 877-832-1206, and love to hear anything that you would like to see on our YouTube channel. Take care.